Hi students, let's see exercise 3.3, question number 3. Make sure that you are watching the first part before watching this one. For that, what you want to do? Subscribe this channel and get the balanced videos. Ready? Let's go to the next question, question number 3. I'll read the question once. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solutions by substitution method. Means what do you want to do? We have to make the linear equation first. After that, we have to solve it by substitution method. First question now. I'll read the question once. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Ready? So what is the condition? The difference between two numbers. That means there are two numbers. So we are going to take, let x and y are the two numbers. Two numbers and x is greater than y. The bigger number is x. Now see the condition. The difference between two numbers. From the first condition, first case. What is the first case? The difference between two numbers. That means x minus y, the difference between, difference means minus. So, x minus y equals 26. That means this you can write x minus y, this 26 will carry to next side, minus 26 equals 0. That is equation number 1. After that, see the second case. And one number is 3 times the other. That means the one number is 3 times the other, means the bigger number is 3 times the smaller number. Ready? That means what you write? From the second case, the bigger number means x is 3 times the smaller number. This one we can keep it as equation number 2. Now what you will do? Of course we got already direct. Second as x equal 3y. Therefore, substituting the value of x in equation 1. This time direct value of x is given in the second equation. So this value will put in the first equation. Therefore, equation 1 implies, see, 1. What is the first equation? X minus y. So in place of x, what you will write? 3y, isn't it? So 3y minus, see, x minus y. So in place of x, we will write 3y minus y minus 26 equals 0. This implies 3y minus y. 3 mango minus 1 mango. 3 minus 1, that is 2. That means we will write 2y equals, this minus 26 will carry to next side, plus 26. Ready? Therefore, y equals 26. 2 into y. 2 is multiplying. Goes next side. Divide. That means divided by 2. Now what will do? We will cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. So the answer is 13. So the value of y is 13. Isn't it? Now what will do? Substitute the value of y in equation 2. Therefore, equation 2 implies, what is the second equation? Second equation is x equals 3y. Therefore, x equals, otherwise x equals 3y. In place of y, what will you write? 13 will write, isn't it? So, into 13. That means 13 threes are 39. Ready? Therefore, the numbers are 39 and 13. Okay, let's go to the next question. Let's see question number 2. I'll read the question once. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds smaller by 18 degree. Find them. See, the larger of two supplementary angles. So it is already given in the question, supplementary angle. Supplementary angle means sum of the angle is 180 degree. Ready? So we'll write, let X and Y are the two supplementary angles. Ready? So X and Y are the supplementary angles, and of course we can write the larger angle is X. That means X is greater than Y. Ready? Now that means from here itself we can understand X plus Y equals 180, because it is already given supplementary angle. Supplementary means sum of the angle is 180 degree. Ready? So this implies X plus Y 180 goes next side, minus 180 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Ready? After that, you see the next condition. The larger of the two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Exceeds the smaller by 18 degree means the larger angle equals smaller angle plus 18. Means 18, if you add it to the smaller angle, you are going to get the larger angle. Ready? This is the second case. See, the larger angle exceeds the smaller by 18. That means with the smaller angle, if you add it 18, you are going to get the larger angle. This is equation number 2. Direct we can do. Substituting the value of X in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies the first equation. See, X plus Y. In place of X, what you can write? Y plus 18. So, Y plus 18, that is X, plus Y minus 180 equal to 0. Implies Y plus Y, 2Y. 2Y. Now, what you will do means plus and minus. Plus and minus means minus. So what you will do? 180 minus 18. 180 minus 18. That means what you will get? See, 180 minus 18. How much you will get? Of course we can subtract. 10 minus 8, that is 2. After that 7 here. So 7 minus 1, 6. That means 162. So we got it here now. 162. And see, plus and minus, we got it minus. After that number is 180, it is minus, so the answer is minus equal to 0. This implies 2y equals minus 162 goes next side, plus 162. 162. Therefore, y equals, what will do? 162, these two will divide, because it is in multiplying, goes next side will divide. Now, 2 ones are 2, we are cancelling by 2. 2 8s are 16 and 2 1s are 2. So, y equals 81. Now, we will write, substitute the value of y in equation 2. Therefore, equation 2 implies, what is the second equation? Second equation is x equals y plus 18. Therefore, x equals y plus 18. In place of y, we will write 81 plus 18 equals. Ready? So, 81 plus 18, that is 99. Isn't it? Therefore, 99 and 81 are the supplementary angles. Ready? Let's go to the next question. I will read question number 3. See, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. Ready? So we want to find out the cost of each bat and each ball. Ready? So we'll write, let X be the cost of 1 bat and y be the cost of one ball. See the first case, the cost of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls. So from the first case, what you can write? 7 bats and 6 balls cost 3,800. That means 7 bats. 1 bat how much costs? X. That means 7 into X plus 6 balls. That means 6 into Y equals rupees 3,800. Ready? Now that implies 7x plus 6y, 3,800 goes next side, minus 3,800 equal to 0, equation number 1. After that, from the second case, see, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls. So 3 bats, that means 3x plus 5 balls, that means 5y, equal how much? 1,750. So let us arrange this one, that is 3x plus 5y, this 1750 goes next side, minus 1750, this is equation number 2. From the first equation, we will take the value of x or y, that's up to you. Ready? So we will take first equation one more time, that is 7x plus 6y minus 3,800 equals 0. Now, I am carrying 7x and 3,800 to the other side. Ready? That means 6y equals 3,800 goes next side. It's minus, goes next side, plus. That means 3,800. After that, plus 7x goes next side, minus 7x. Ready? Now we want the value of y. Therefore, y equals 6 is multiplying, goes next side, divide. That means 3,800 minus 7x divided by 6. This is equation number 3. Now what do you do? Substitute. Yes. Substituting the value of y in equation 2. Value of y we will substitute in the second equation. Ready? Therefore, equation 2 implies, what is the second equation? See the second equation. Second equation is 3x plus 5y. In place of y, what will you write? The value of y. What is the value of y? Y is 3,800 minus 7x divided by 6. This is the value of y. That is 3x plus 5y minus 1,750 equal to 0. Ready? This implies. Now what we'll do, we'll open this and we can take LCM as 6. Ready? That means what we'll do? 6 into 3. 6 is 18. X plus, now 5 into 3,800. That means what you will do? 38 into 5. Ready? So you will take 38 into 5. After that 2 zeros will apply. Ready? That means 8 5s are 40. That means 0 will write, 4 in hand. 5 3s are 15 plus 4. 19, isn't it? So we got it now 190. That is only for 38 into 5. After that 2 more zeros. Minus 5 into 7. 7 5s are 35. Of course, x is here. Ready? That means this 6 I will multiply to here. See? Here we already multiply with 6. And the 6 we will multiply to here. Ready? That means 1,750 is there, no need, right? Into 6. Ready? 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 in hand. 6 7s are 42 plus 3, 45, 4 in hand. Now 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 4, 10. That means 1050. That is 1050, it is only for 175 into 6. But 1750 means one more 0 we have to put. So 0 will put here, isn't it? Equal to 0. Of course, the whole divided by 6 is there. Ready? So this implies 18x minus 35x. That means what you will do? Plus and minus. Minus. That means 35 minus 18. 35 minus 18. 35 minus 18. What will you get? 17, isn't it? 17x. But we know that the bigger number is minus, so the answer is minus 17x. Now, these two, plus and minus, what you will do? Minus, that means 19000 minus 10500. We'll minus it. See, this is plus and minus. We'll minus, isn't it? Now, 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Now, here will be 10 and so this will be 8. That means 10 minus 5, 5 and 8 will bring down. That means we got it now. 8500. Of course, the bigger number is plus. So the answer will be plus. Equals. Now what we'll do mean this division divided by 6. The 6 if I carry it next side will multiply. That means 0 into 6. Ready? This implies minus 17x equals the 0 into 6 0. Now this plus 8500, that means 8500. If it goes next side, minus. So minus 8500. This implies minus 17x equals minus 8500. Minus will cancel. Ready? Therefore x equals 8500 divided by 17. Ready? Now what you'll do? We'll cancel by 17. 17 ones are 17. 17 fives are 85. If you have doubt, you will multiply it like this. 17 into 5. 7 fives are 35. 3 in hand. 5 ones are 5 plus 3, 8. So we got it. 85. Ready? That means 17 ones are 17. 17 fives are 85. After that, these two more zeros will put. That means x equals 500. Now what will do? Substitute, isn't it? So, substitute the value x in equation 3. Substitute the value of x in equation number 3. Therefore, equation 3 implies, what is the third equation? That is y equals 3800 minus 7x by 6. So y equals 3800 minus 7 into, in place of x what will you write? 500 divided by 6 equals 3800 minus 3800 minus 7 5s are 35. After that, two more zeros divided by 6 equals 3800 minus 3500. How much you'll get? Yes, 300. 300 divided by 6. I will cancel by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 5s are 30. Then this 0 will bring upside. That means we got 50. Therefore, x equals 500 and y equals 50. Let's see question number 4. I'll read the question once. The taxi charges in a city consists of a fixed charge together with a charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km for the charge paid is 105, and for a journey of 15 km the charge paid is 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? See the question. In this question, you have to find out what are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer. But see the question nicely. The taxi charges in a city consists of a fixed charge. There will be a fixed charge. After that, how much it will travel, according to that they have to pay. That means what you will do? We want to find out the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer. Ready? That means we will write, let X be the fixed charge and Y be the charge per kilometer. Charge per kilometer. Ready? Now, let us say the first condition. According to the first case, for a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid is 105. So, for first case, 10 kilometer they paid 105, isn't it? That means for first case, fixed charge plus 10 kilometer distance means what you will do? 10 into Y equals 105. That is equation number 1. Even if you are not arranging to the next side, no problem. After that, second case, say for a journey of 15 kilometers. That means fixed charge plus 15 kilometer into Y equals 155. Isn't it? 155. That is equation number 2. Ready? So from the first equation, that means X plus 10Y equals 105. Therefore, 10Y equals 105 is already here. X goes to next side, minus X. Therefore, Y equals 105 minus X by 10. Because multiplying goes to next side, divide. 10 will divide. That is equation number 3. Now what will do? Substituting the value of Y in equation 2. Therefore, equation 2 implies the second equation. What is the second equation? X plus 15Y. So, X plus 15 into Y. In place of Y, what you will write? 105, 105 minus X by 10. 15Y equals 155. Ready? This implies we can take LCM as 10. That means 10. After that, 10 into X, 10X. Ready? Plus 15 into 105. We have to multiply, isn't it? So 15 into 105 means 105 into 15. Ready? So 5 5s are 25. 5, 2 in hand. 5 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2. And 5 ones are 5. After that, 1 5s are 5. 1 zeros are 0. 1 ones are 1. So we'll get, now we'll add it, isn't it? So 5, 2 plus 5 7. 5 plus 0, 5 and 1. So the answer is 1575. So we'll get 1575 minus 15 into X. That is minus 15X equals 155. Ready? This implies, first we'll write 1575. Now, minus 15X and plus 10X. Plus and minus, what will do? Minus. So, 15 minus 10, 5. 5X. But we know that the bigger number is minus. So, the answer is minus. That means minus 5X. Equals. This 10 goes to next side. We'll multiply. That means 1550. Because 10 multiply means 1 more 0 will put. Therefore, minus 5X equals 1550 is already here. So, when you carry 1575 to next side, this plus goes to next side, minus 1575. Plus and minus, what you will do? Minus. That means then 575 minus 1550. We'll minus it. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. So we'll get 25. But of course, the bigger number is minus, so the answer is minus 25. That is minus 5x equal to minus 25. Both sides minus will cancel. That means we got it. 5x equals 25. Therefore, x equals 25 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. So the answer is 5. Now what we'll do? Substitute the value of x in equation 3. Therefore, equation 3 implies, what is the third equation? Y equals 105 minus x. X means 5 divided by 10. See, y equal 105 minus x by 10, isn't it? Now what will do? 105 minus 5, that is 100. 100 by 10. 0 0 will cancel, we'll get 10. Therefore, x equals 5 and y equals 10. Now what do you want to find out? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers, isn't it? Therefore, the cost for traveling 25 kilometer equals the fixed charge, that means x plus 25 into y, isn't it? Equals fixed charge is 5. 5 plus 25 into fixed y. What is the value of y? 10. Equals 5 plus 25 into 10, 250. So we'll get 255. This is the cost of traveling 25 kilometers. That means we can write as rupees 255. Ready? So let's go to the next question. Let's see question number 5. I'll read the question once. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Let's start the answer now. That means we can write, let x by y be the fraction. That means the numerator is x and the denominator is y. Ready? Now what is given in the question? A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to numerator and denominator. That means case 1. If 2 is added to numerator and denominator, numerator is x, x plus 2 and the denominator y, y plus 2. If you add it numerator and denominator 2, what will happen? The fraction becomes 9 by 11. Ready? Now what we'll do? We'll cross multiply. Ready? So x plus 2 into 11, this 2, equals y plus 2 into 9. We will open the bracket. X into 11, 11x, 2 into 11, 22, equals y into 9, 9y, y into 2 plus 2 9s are 18. This implies 11x, 9y plus 9y goes next side, minus 9y plus 22 is already here. Now plus 18 goes next side, minus 18 equal to 0. This implies 11x minus 9y, 22 minus 18, that is 4, plus 4 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Ready? Now let us see the second case. Second case. What is the second case? If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator. Ready? If 3 is added, we know that x and y is a fraction. So if you add 3 to the numerator, x plus 3, and denominator 3 means y plus 3 equals, then the fraction becomes 5 by 6. Let's cross multiply now. See, we'll cross multiply. This implies x plus 3 into 6, this 2, equals y plus 3 into 5. Ready? This implies, we'll open it, 6 into x, 6x, 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18, equals y into 5 or 5 into y, 5y, again 5 into 3, 3 5s are 15. Now this implies 6x, 5y comes to next side, minus 5y. Now 18 is already here, plus 18, 15 plus 15 comes to next side, minus 15 equal to 0. This implies 6x minus 5y, 18 minus 15, that is plus 3 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Now we will take the first equation one more time. What is the first equation? 11x minus 9y plus 4 equal to 0. From here we will keep only. Okay, now this 9y minus 9y will carry it next side. That means what you will do? 11x plus 4 equals minus 9y goes next side, plus 9y. 0 no need to write. Therefore 9y equals 11x plus 4. Interchanging, isn't it? Therefore y equals, what you will do? 11x plus 4 divided by 9. This is equation number 3. Substitute the value of y in equation 2. Therefore equation 2 implies second equation. What is the second equation? 6x minus 5 into y means we'll write bracket 11x plus 4 by 9. This is y. Plus 3 equal to 0. This implies LCM will be 9. So 9 6 are 54. X minus, opening with the 5. 5 into 11, 5 11s are 55. After that x will write. Now plus into minus, minus into plus, see, minus 5 4s are 20. Now of course even for 3 we will take common as 9 denominator, isn't it? That means what will happen? 9 3s are 27 plus 27 equal to 0. This implies 54x minus 55x plus and minus, what will do? Minus 55 minus 54, 1x. That means minus 1x or x. Now plus and minus, minus 27 minus 20 plus 7, plus and minus, minus, after that the bigger number is plus, so the answer is plus. Equals, this 9 will carry it next side, that means 0 into 9. Therefore what you will do? Minus x plus 7 equal to 0. Therefore minus x equals, plus 7 goes next side, minus 7. Both sides minus, minus will cancel, will get x equals 7. Substitute the value of x in equation 3. Therefore equation 3 implies, what is the third equation? Y equals 11x. In place of x we will write 7. So 11 into 7 plus 4 by 9 equals 11 7s are 77. 77 plus 4 by 9 equals 77 plus 4, 81. 81 by 9. We will cancel by 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 9s are 81. So the answer is 9. Therefore, the fraction is x by y equals, in place of x we will write 7 by, in place of y we will write 9. So this is the answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. I'll read the question once. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? Ready? So first we'll write, let X be the present age of Jacob and Y be the present age of his son. See, 5 years hence, that means from the question or from first case, what is that? 5 years hence, that means 5 years hence, means after 5 years, Jacob age will be. Ready? What will happen? X plus 5 and his son age will be Y plus 5. But given in the question, 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. That means what you will do? Jacob age is already X plus 5 equals 3 times son age. That means 3 into Y plus 5. See, 5 years hence, after 5 years, Jacob age will be X plus 5 and his son age will be Y plus 5. But given in the question, Jacob age will be 3 times that of his son. That means Jacob age is already X plus 5 equals 3 times means 3 into son's age. Ready? Let's open this. X plus 5 equals 3 into Y, 3Y, 3 into 5, 15. Ready? After that, this implies X. This 3Y goes next side, minus 3Y equals 15 is already here. This 5 goes next side, minus 5. That is equals 15 minus 5, 10. That means X minus 3Y equals 10. This is equation number 1. Now see, 5 years ago. 5 years ago means before 5 years. So, second case. 5 years ago. Jacob age was X minus 5 and son age was Y minus 5. It's already given the question. Jacob age was 7 times that of his son. That means this implies Jacob age. That means X minus 5 equals 7 times his son age. That means Y minus 5. Ready? This implies X minus 5 equals, opening with the 7. 7 into Y, 7Y minus 7 into 5, 35. Ready? This implies X. 7Y goes next side. Minus 7Y. Minus 5 is already here. And minus 35 comes next side. Plus 35 equal to 0. Implies X minus 7Y plus and minus. Minus and plus. What will you do? Minus 35 minus 5, 30. But the bigger number is plus. So plus 30 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Now we'll write the first equation one more time. That is X minus 3Y equals 10. X minus 3Y equals 10. Isn't it? After that. Therefore, X. See. This 10 goes next side. Minus 10 equals. This minus 3Y goes next side. Plus 3Y. Therefore, 3Y equals X minus 10. Interchanging. Isn't it? Therefore, Y equals X minus 10. This 3Y. 3 multiplying. Goes next side. Divide. Divide by 3. This is equation number 3. Now, substituting the value of y in equation 2. Therefore, equation 2 implies x minus 7 into, in place of x, what you'll do? We'll put the value. That is x minus 10 by 3. Ready? Plus 30 equal to 0. This implies we are going to take common LCM 3. So we'll multiply 3 into x. 3x. Now opening with minus 7. Minus 7 into x. Minus 7x. After that minus 7 into minus 10. Minus into minus plus. 7 tens are 70. After that, this taking 3 as common means this 3 will have to multiply to here. See, taking 3 as common denominator means this 3 we have to multiply here. That means 3 into 30, that is plus 90 equal to 0. This implies 3x minus 7x, plus and minus minus. That means 7x minus 3x, 4x. Of course, the bigger number is minus, so the answer is minus 4x. Plus 70 plus 90, 70 plus 90, 160 equals 3 goes next side, will multiply, isn't it? So 0 into 3. This implies minus 4x equals, see, 160 goes next side. And before that, 0 into 3 is 0. Now 160 goes next side, minus 160. This implies minus 4x equals minus 160. Minus will cancel. We can cancel by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. So the answer is this 0 will bring down. Therefore, x equals 40. I hope you... Now what you'll do? Substitute the value of x in equation 3. Therefore, equation 3 y equals x minus 10. X means 40. 40 minus 10 by 3 equals 40 minus 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3 and 0 will write. That means 10. Therefore, x equals 40 and y equals 10. Okay. So we got it now, the entire exercise 3.3. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and wait for the balance answers in the next video. Ready?